Hello friends, this is Raman Gill with your daily Forex market analysis for October 19th, 2016. Just a quick disclaimer before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. If you have questions about your individual investment needs, I recommend you talk to your investment advisor. We'll start off by taking a look at the economic calendar here. A very busy day in terms of news. We have British pound average earnings index and claimant count change unemployment data here at 4:30 a.m. Eastern. And then into the US session, we have building permits and housing starts at 8:30 a.m. And then we have Bank of Canada monetary policy report, rate statement, and overnight rate. So big day for Canadian dollar here. And then we have crude oil inventories followed by Bank of Canada press conference. Into the Asian session here, we have unemployment numbers for Australian dollar. Let's move on to the charts here. We are looking at Euro US dollar daily chart. We have a nice bearish close for the day now, and as a result of that, we would be expecting a follow through to the downside. We do have this major support and resistance level here at 109.50, so the key would be for the price to break through this level. However, if we see the price come into 109.50 and bounce off of that, we could see the price go back towards the top of the range here again at 110.20 level. So at this point, it is a bit of a range here. We are looking for price to go lower based off of the daily candle here, and we are expecting it to break through this 109.50 level and then potentially come into 109.10 level here. If the price does not break through 109.50, we could see a bounce and a move higher towards 110.20 area. For the pound US dollar here, we have seen the pound trade within this range for quite some time here for the last few days. Now we are at the top of the range here at 123.30. So this is an important support and resistance level for it, and price has not been able to break this to the upside. Now the key here would be to see a break above this level. The daily close is bullish, and as a result we would expect a follow through to the upside. However, the support and resistance level here is very important here. 123.30 level is an important resistance level. If the price is not able to break through this level, we would expect it to come back into the range and potentially start trading lower. If it does break through this level though, the next target is a 124.30 level at the top here. New Zealand US dollar, we have a very bullish close for the day. We had positive CPI numbers for New Zealand. As a result of that, we saw a big push up, and now the daily candle close is very bullish. We are into important resistance here at 72.20. At this point, we are looking for a break to the upside here. It did breach this level. However, since then it has bounced off of that, and now we'd be looking for a hold above 72.20. If the price stays above 72.20, we're looking for a push higher into potentially into 7300 area. However, if the price is not able to hold above 72.20, we are looking for a move back down back into this range here, and we are potentially looking for price to go back into 71.20 level. So this 72.20 level is a key resistance area at this point, and we have to see how price responds to that level, and we will trade it based on that. Aussie US dollar here, very similar to the New Zealand dollar, we saw a bullish close for the day, and as a result of that we would expect a move to the upside. However, here again we are into the top of the range here, and we have key resistance level here. If the move is to continue to the upside, we would be looking for a test of this level 7700 and then looking for a break above. Because it is such an important level, I'm actually expecting the price to bounce off of this level and push back in. As we have seen here, price tried to go through, came back, tried to go through, came back, and I would be looking for a similar price behavior at 7700 level or into 7750 level, which is the top of the pin bar here. So at 7700 or 7750 level, I would be looking for a reversal pattern for the price to come down. We are, however, bullish, so we could see that push to the upside. Dollar CAD, here we have a red candle close. However, there's a big wick on the candle, which suggests that the price is rejecting this level. At this point, we could see another move to the downside and potentially get a double bottom here and then a bounce off of this. So that's what we'll be looking for, potential move to the downside and then a bounce to the upside. At this point here though, looks like some buyers came in and price got pushed up. At this point, if the price doesn't go all the way down, we are looking for it to move to the next support and resistance area, which would be at 131.50 area. So that will be the next target for this. So that's it for now. I will see you in the trade room tomorrow.